I'll just give them a quick tip if you're struggling, whatever industry you're in. 10 times a day, just do it 10. If you do this 100, you're not even going to recognize yourself financially in a year. Just call 10 people that are in the orbit of what you do that maybe could send business your way. Call them. Hey, I just wanted to raise my hand. Just wanted to let you know I'm out here. Let's say it's mortgage. I live and breathe this stuff. I wanted to let you know I'm out here. Anything you need in terms of loans, questions, even if you just wanted to bounce an idea off of somebody with a client that you're working with, I'm happy to help you, James, right? Whether you're a client or not.
If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends and you can close more business and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.